We've come to a point in time where pretty much all cameras can produce stunning image quality, and it's great. But for some reason, it always feels like it's missing something that the older cameras always seem to have. Having owned and used so many different types of cameras, I think I finally found out what the modern cameras were missing. And no, it's not 35mm film, it's honestly something so much better. Like I said in my last video, Dehancer isn't a full-on replacement for film, but is instead an insane alternative for those who need the most accurate film look with modern camera flexibility. What's nice is that all the great features I mentioned in the photo version of the plugin can be found in this video version as well. So that means you get the same 65 film stocks, the print films, the film heads, the colors, halation, bloom, and pretty much everything in between. The amount of combinations of film stocks, film prints, and other effects is seemingly endless, so without a doubt, you'll definitely find the perfect look with Dehancer. Cool. Now it's actually quiet and I can start talking a little bit about Dehancer video. So as you guys saw in my previous Dehancer review, Dehancer is an awesome film emulation plugin that can pretty much replicate any kind of film stock you want to throw at it. They give you 65 different film stocks to start with, and then a couple print films. But what differs about the video version is that it has a couple of extra features like gate weaving. You can throw on some perforations. They have a couple of different ones on there, 16mm, 8mm, 35, and I think 65. So it's really, really fun. You get the same accurate color representation like the photo version of the plugin, but just as a video package. Obviously, this version does have its quirks. Like when I first installed it, I had some issues where it kept crashing Davinci Resolve when I was trying to download the film stocks from their sources. But after that, I had no issues ever since. Now again, it seems that a lot of people didn't understand from the first video, it's not a replacement for film. It's definitely not a replacement for film. Shooting film is an experience like nothing you've ever done before, and obviously some digital plugin can't replicate you putting film in a camera, winding it back, and then doing all that stuff. But it's more about how it can imitate the look of it, and it's more of an addition into your arsenal of tools than it is a replacement. Now, if you're looking for a way to replicate film looks, then Dehancer is totally the way to go. It's so accurate, like I still can't believe how close they got it to work. Throw it on different film prints, adjust the settings accordingly, and you pretty much have like an infinite amount of different ways you can make your footage look, and that's probably the coolest thing about it. The plugin is expensive, but it's a tool, and you invest in tools to grow in your craft and to get better and to try new things, so it's definitely worth a look at. And if you go and use my code KOYOFILM, you get 10% off any Dehancer product. Other than that, it's an awesome plugin, and I strongly recommend you guys go and check it out.